firstly, thank you everyone, all the media, for coming here and helping us take this message forward. Today we're gathered here to speak very specifically about periods in sports. So I would request कि सारे questions please limit it to periods in sports, about PSAFE, about association with Smriti Mandana, why she likes what we do, why we have chosen her. No questions about uh, any personal life or about World Cup. Would we really request everyone. Thank you very much again.
Yeah. So what do you say about today's event?
I think it's pretty fun event to be, and what PSAFE has been doing in terms of the back-end work. I mean, it's so inspiring to just be associated with them, and zero period is something which their motive is, and I hope that we can achieve. And it's been just a fun event to be part of, and coming to a school. And it's been a while that I've come to a school and done an event. So yeah, again, thanks to PSAFE. But yeah, again, their work has been just very inspiring.
So many women are facing still problems during period, especially in village. So what's your suggestion?
Yeah, again, as they said that, I think as they said that, they've been doing so many campaigns around, going to a lot of small villages and raising the awareness around periods. So for sure, I mean, we keep doing that same work whenever I am required. Again, we'll be doing those sort of lot of work in the next 2 odd years and for the longer years, and yeah, again, raise awareness for them around menstrual hygiene and how to take care of themselves during the period. So for sure, I mean, it's still I feel it's a long way to go, but I think he's the best person to answer this question.
No, I think our efforts are to make our product as accessible, as affordable as possible for people in rural India, in urban slums. And I think at grassroots level, what we need to solve for is awareness. So all of our efforts today are actually around how can we make more girls and women aware about periods, that they are normal, and what are the solutions available for them to have comfortable periods.
Next question.
मैम you have interacted with kids today. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना अच्छा लगा इंटरेक्शन और क्या आपने भी कुछ यादें आ गई बचपन की?
बहुत अच्छा लगा इंटरेक्टिंग विद द स्मॉल किड्स, और स्पेशली बहुत सारी लड़कियां आई थी जो क्रिकेट एकेडमी से थी. सो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब यू कम टू स्कूल्स. इट रिमाइंड्स यू, आपको याद आती है कि आप जब स्कूल जाते थे, ऑल स्मॉल थिंग्स, हेड गर्ल्स, हेड बॉयज, उनसे मिली, एंड वो सारे मेमोरीज फ्लैशबैक होते. सो या अगेन इंटरेक्टिंग, और मेन इम्पोर्टेंस ये कि हमारा experience हम कैसे लोगों तक पहुंचाएं. So yeah, again, coming here with PSAFE, I think I was very happy, and definitely it was pretty nostalgic.
What do you say about upcoming World Cup match? So how's your practice end?
We're going to try and keep questions just to today's interaction. If we can avoid World Cup questions,
one World Cup question का answer I'll give so that it's fine.
Yeah.
सबके सब yeah, again, we are prepping for the World Cup. We'll be leaving around for a series before World Cup. So the prep has been going well, and I hope that we just keep continuing to work hard and make India proud, and hopefully we can get the cup back home.
When you interact with the kids of younger generation, what sort of lessons do you impart to them? Because you've been a player who's been through different levels of international cricket, not just international, but being in different leagues around the world. So when you share those kind of experiences, what sort of questions do these kids come up with? And another part of the question is related to the preparation.
Pehla answer kar deji. Yeah, again, whenever I interact with the kids, it's very, firstly, the questions which they ask, I just feel that at that age I would not know what they're asking, but the questions are in a way where they really want to know what we go through, which is extremely nice. And for me, it's very important to give them a message that firstly how sports and cricket has a career, and you can actually make a good career out of it. That's first important thing. And the second important thing for me is what I try and tell is to enjoy the process and what they do playing cricket. I really want all the kids to actually enjoy and just just follow your passion. That's extremely important, and that's one message which I always try and give to the young kids.
I just wanted to ask, anything specifics that you worked at during the camp for the World Cup? Anything in specific?
The camp has gone well, and I would just keep it at that because we would not like to say any specifics of what we've worked on because we are heading to the World Cup. But all I would say that all the girls are looking in good shape and they've been practicing really well, and a lot of hard work has gone behind.
As someone a lot of young girls look up to, how do you think such partnerships like the one with PSAFE instill confidence in them to talk about things like periods and menstrual hygiene? Like what role do such partnerships?
It's a very important partnership, I would say. I think one of the most important ones because again, to be associated with a brand not only for their products but also for the message they put out, and yeah, for me to also help them in a way where I could reach to people and say their message loud out. And I'm sure that even if we could, like I could help them to get it to some section of the girls, or I don't know who, or even boys for that case, as he said, because it's very important for the boys also to be educated around it. So if I could help them, I mean, it will be extremely. I'll be extremely happy, and I'm sure a lot of girls, if I speak about it or we all speak about it this openly, I'm sure they'll feel a lot confident going to other people and talking about periods or being comfortable to talk around periods.
Any motivating thing you want to say
Any
to
other
the any motivating thing you want to say to the young girls out there from your side, fitness and mental health?
Well, the only motivating thing I would say is firstly, hard work is the key to achieving whatever you do, and secondly, I mean, enjoying that hard work is also very important because I feel that's how I look at my life, that whenever you're happy, the hard work always pays off. So that's two things, and yeah, again, I feel sports or physical exercise should be like, if you're not even thinking of a career, but I just feel like 1 hour of any sort of sports or physical activity for all sort of girls is extremely important.
Hi Ramesh, I had a question. Menstrual education today goes way beyond just going to schools or talking about just periods, right? I have struggled with PCOS since I started my period, and the thing my gynecologist told me was when you get married, this would be solved, which is a very wrong thing to educate, right? As a menstrual hygiene brand, how do you think you want to bring the focus to certain kind of things like PCOS and other menstrual hygiene related problems that many menstruators go through?
No, I think there's a lot of conversation by different sections within our society about periods. Some see it naturally, some don't. Even there's still, I think, our gynecologists and health experts, they're also beginning to empathize with women about periods and of course PCOS as well. Our endeavor is today we're solving menstrual hygiene, but eventually we want to solve women's health. Our larger agenda is that once menstrual hygiene or feminine hygiene reaches a meaningful penetration, and if we're able to create or other support in that sense, we will eventually want to talk about everything that a girl requires as she hits puberty until she reaches menopause and beyond. So we want to be that brand who's known for women's health and hygiene from puberty to menopause.
अच्छा मैम, आज भी ऐसे कहीं मेट्रो सिटी छोड़ के गांव चले जाओ तो वहाँ भी पीरियड को लेके कई बार बातें थी कि लड़कियाँ डरती है, कहीं नहीं, उन्हें क्या कुछ कहेंगे आप? आज तो गांव की बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, अभी भी बहुत आई एम श्योर कि गांव में होता है कि जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ डरती है, बट आई एम श्योर जैसे इन्होंने इवेंट में भी बोला है, काफ़ी अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स PSAFE ने भी करे हैं, एंड ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम भी वो मैसेज उनको पहुँचाएगी। ये बहुत नॉर्मल है और इसमें कोई छुपाने की बात नहीं है। सो फॉर श्योर हम लोग काफ़ी चीज़ें करेंगे फ्यूचर में भी कि हम ये मैसेज जिन लोगों तक हम ये पहुंचा पाए, आई मीन विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट, और यही मैसेज उनके लिए होगा कि ये बहुत ही नॉर्मल चीज़ है एंड इसमें कोई छुपाने या डरने की बात नहीं है।
इनफैक्ट ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक फोरम में मीडिया के सामने पीरियड्स की बातें इतनी नॉर्मली की जा रही है. We are the first people, and Smriti is actually the first celebrity to talk about it so openly. So I'm really happy for all of you to have come here.